tight.
Is it tight? You got it? Can I make a video of you doing it?
Yes.
Thanks. You can put it back together.
It goes the opposite way.
It does? I think that's the right way.
That's the wrong way. It's supposed to go this way.
You're right.
And try.
You are?
Yes. Instead is magic.
I am. You push it in, push it while you twist it. Push it in this way. There you go. There you go. There. Almost got it. It's a little tricky this time, huh? You need any help?
Yes.
Yeah. Let's see. If you push on it like this, push it this way while you twist it. There you go.
And it's done.
Like this. There you go. That's it. You did it.
Another again.
Okay.
It's like in space.
It's like what? Pull both sides at the same time. There you go.
I need to up is this
It's a
boy.
little tight, huh? Just twist it a little more. There you go. You got it. Awesome. And you forgot to take this off, too, last time. You got all the pieces off. Well, it's not down all the way. You push it down. Let's see. There you go. Just shake it around a little bit. Lock it in place. That one's backwards too. Let's see. Turn it around. Put this side in first, then that side. Uh-oh, we forgot that, didn't we?
little kitty this time.
Yeah, it is. But you'll get it with a little practice. That's how we do. Just kind of push it, twist it. There you go. That's it. Alright, just kind of wiggle it around. Good job, you did it.